In this video, we bring to you a unique and sustainable off-grid living experience on Hawaii Island. This one-of-a-kind home is crafted from a 40-foot and 20-foot shipping container centered around a large living room with vaulted ceilings and windows, both high and low, to let in enough sunlight, along with 2 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. The main entrance opens into a large, high-ceilinged living area that has abundance of natural light. The living space features a large, comfortable couch for lounging, a TV, and display shelves for house accessories. The living room is complemented with a patio, which helps to expand the feeling of space and avoid confinement. Next to the living space is a cozy dining area that can seat 4. The dining area opens onto a large deck and is fitted with large glass windows that offer spectacular views of the surrounding, making you feel connected with nature. The attached open kitchen has quality kitchen appliances, ample counter space, and under-the-counter storage cabinets with some overhead storage shelves. In addition, the house has got a laundry area stacked with a washer and dryer and has access to a large patio ideal for outdoor living and dining. This house has got an amazing outdoor living space covered by transparent roof, creating a well-sheltered outdoor space to enjoy intimate dinners or lunches and outdoor lounging with a beautiful view of stars at night. Of the living area, a sliding barn door opens into the master bedroom that is accommodated in a 20-foot container. It is nicely furnished with a king-sized bed, curtain closet, and cargo doors that open to the patio. The cargo doors open wide to create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection to nature. The master bedroom is adjoined by a modern bathroom fitted with a walk-in, fully tiled bathtub, shower cubicle, a toilet, a sink with under-sink storage, and a big window to light up the space. The second bedroom is a compact, modern space fitted with a comfortable bed, and it has got 2 windows to usher in more natural light. The second bathroom features a glass shower cubicle, a toilet, and a vanity. The corrugated container walls are also visible in areas selected on the inside of the house to celebrate the industrial vibe of the design. The living area is associated with many elements in wood, which creates a beautiful interplay of modern and warm finishes of wood. Which part of this amazing house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.